Hi everyone, I hope you're good guys and welcome for a new video. So today I want to talk about glide, and it's kind of something, obviously I know what glide is. It's like pitch variation between two notes. You see there is the liaison between two notes. It's like kind of getting a pitch modulation, but it's something like it took me time to really nail it and to understand, because it's like the same that with the attack, like kind of the value it's reacting like more like not really linear, you know, like what I mean, it's like going until 20 seconds, but you will mainly only use it until 500 milliseconds. And same as the attack, there is this little kind of tips I like to use. It's like, for example, going 30 milliseconds, it's like a subtle glide, and then I just double the value, 60 milliseconds, a little bit more pronounced, and then I double again the value, 120. Alright, and I do the same again, and I do again, double the value, and for me this way is helping me to really see and hear properly what are the difference when I'm moving the knob, rather than if you just do like if you just bring the knob like this and turn it without really knowing what you're doing, it's kind of hard to really understand. But yeah, like same with the attack, you start at 30 milliseconds. So obviously, depending on the tempo of your track, it might vary a little bit, but I think the techniques still apply same, you know, you got 30 and then just double the value until you get something nice. And usually, like with the attack, after 5 milliseconds, it starts to be like stuff more for SFX purpose rather than really be useful as a key or synth lead or stuff like that. Especially that's nice to have a nice pitch effect modulation. If you play like two notes, like 2 or 3 octaves at a difference, you will have this very long rising. So that can be nice for a build up and for bring tension. And you can go until 20 seconds or even. So I'm playing like 2 octave difference between the two notes, and you have this long rising pitch effect. Alright, so I hope this trick, like 30 milliseconds and then double it, the value all the time, help you next time to kind of nail your glide value. Thank you very much for watching guys, and see you soon. Bye bye.